So part 2 of the hot tub heater, and it's not working properly, and that is because it's only 10 degrees Celsius out here and the water is so cold. We started the water at 8 Celsius. It's up at 11 just now, but the evaporator is just frosting up all the time. And the pressures are as low as anything, only 100 psi in the discharge, and the suction is really low as well. And just after about 15 minutes the whole thing is just frosted up, so I switch it off for a while. It's just because of this exchanger, it just rips the heat away so fast. The discharge is barely warm. There's just hardly any heat coming off it at all just now. The air coming out, it is absolutely freezing. So yeah, like if I add gas to it, like I have added quite a bit. It doesn't change the high side pressure, but it does sometimes put the low side pressure up a little bit. But conditions aren't great. It's just with the water being so cold and the temperature being quite low out here, it just keeps frosting up. So the only way around that would be to use a thermostatic expansion valve and have an Arduino sensing the return temperature, and when the top of the evaporator gets to like 0 Celsius, it'll just switch off, have the fan running for just a little while and let it defrost. But I think a TXV is in order. And this is also dried up a bit too. This is the pump arrangement, just that T-piece on the suctions there, but we've got a much bigger pump coming at some point. And it just goes into there and then out. But yeah, the only part of the heat exchanger that's actually warm is just the top corner, and then the heat is just immediately ripped out. I insulated the compressor in the hope that it would take the head pressures up just a little bit, and that hasn't made much difference. But if I insulate this, it means that less heat is getting lost. It'll keep more of the heat going into the discharge line rather than being lost on the compressor itself. Because if the compressor is getting lots of heat taken from it, the inside of it is effectively going to act as a condenser, and the refrigerant will just keep condensing inside the compressor rather than coming out and going where it should be. It would probably reduce the flow a bit. Yeah, so it's about frosted up again. When it comes round to summer, when we've got temperatures like over 15 or 20 degrees and the hot tub is at 30, say, it should work a lot better. Power consumption too is very, very low as well. Normally it'll be about 700-800 watts when it's operating in proper conditions, but we've just not very much heat to move and not very much heat in the water, so not much power consumption.